Hey, it's Miranda Fox, Realtor with the Plowman team, and we're here at 5274 Old Brock Road in coveted Claremont. Come check it out. Look at how bright and open this foyer is. That's the perfect way to enter your new home. Tons of natural light overlooking this living room with fresh carpet, fresh paint. Now back here, we've got a nice spacious bedroom and a 4-piece bathroom to my right. But that's not it. There's lots more house on the other side. Let's go check it out. Here's a great kitchen. Lots of counter space, lots of cupboard space. Imagine cooking your family meals here and enjoying them as you sit in the dining room that looks opposite. Not only that, back here, we've got an incredible sitting room. This is where I would be spending all of my time. Look how amazing it is, and it overlooks that incredible yard space. Before we head upstairs, check out those bedrooms. I need you to see this space back here. That backyard is incredible, and you can enjoy it by sitting in this covered area. Look at how awesome this is. To round out the space, we're here in the primary. It is very big, very spacious, but up here you're also going to find 2 more bedrooms and another bathroom. Let's go check those out. Now to complement that awesome house we just saw, you're going to love the size of this yard. Check out all the space. I mean, over here, we've got a garage, which you could use as a workshop. And down here, there's a barn, and it has 5 stalls in it. So bring all your family, bring all your friends, enjoy this great big property. Maybe you want to have a hobby farm. Who knows what you want to do here? But this is the place for you to do it. Thanks for joining me on the tour today. If you want to check it out yourself, call us at the number above. We'll be happy to take you through it. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button below so you can see all of our homes for sale.